Well, check this out. I believe this project has been finished. I have the new trim in place down there. Looks really, really good. No little white spots any longer. And I did go ahead and install the trim in the closet as well, right there on both sides. Looks really, really good. Very happy with that. And the transitions are installed between the tile and the new flooring. So yeah, coming right along. All right, I'm gonna say once again, that is a wrap. This thing is looking good. The walls repainted, the window sills all done, restained. The box here, and that's just basically storage in there. We did the floor all the way through the closet. Restained the bathroom vanity right here. New faucet, new mirror, new lights, new shower doors, and a new toilet as well. All new baseboards all the way around, looking really, really good. But once again, that is a wrap. Electronics repairs to resume very, very shortly.